Okay, guys, I just wanted to keep you updated on what I'm doing for exercise and eating wise. Basically, my routine is I get up early, 6, 7, and early in the morning I do my Bible reading. It depends on what I have to do that day, but I do Bible reading maybe half an hour, could be an hour, or it could be 10 minutes. So it all depends on how much time I have. Okay, then when I start moving around, okay, I'll have my first bowel movement as soon as I get out of bed. It just happens like clockwork because I'm getting a lot of water and a lot of fiber. Okay, so that happens pretty easy. There's no struggling or anything. So that's a change. In the past, oh man, 20 years ago, oh man, I had a lot of problems with that. So anyway, then I'll start to hydrate, okay? And what I've been doing for hydration, I'll usually have like maybe 16 ounces of orange juice, 16 ounces of water. I'll mix it sometimes, the water and the orange juice, and I'll add some sugar, some white table sugar, and that gets me going. That starts the blood to really flow. I start to get some glucose to the muscles, to the brain, and I start moving around. And then this morning I did a workout. I did my longevity workout after the orange juice and water, and I did basically it's body weight exercises, exercises with weights, and stretching. So I incorporate those three things in all of my longevity workouts. Now, I'm a big fan of ATG, Ben Patrick, and I've been doing those type of workouts. I don't always stick to it exactly. Some days I'll take a day off and just run. I just try and walk, run as much as I can. So, yeah, so I did the longevity workout. I did some sled, forward and backwards. And then I came in and I had some watermelon. I had quite a bit of watermelon. I love watermelon. It's one of my favorite fruits. So I can't say exactly how much I ate, but it was a good portion. Not like half a watermelon, but maybe a quarter of a watermelon, something like that. Or maybe, yeah, somewhere around there, a quarter of a watermelon. All right, so then what did I do after that? That's the hardest thing about getting old. You can remember what happened when you were in kindergarten, but it's hard to remember 5 minutes ago. But I'm getting better. All right, so yeah, and then I think I did some studying on, if I study, it's going to be Bible study or it's going to be study on nutrition or study on tennis, okay? Because people always, information is new all the time, or it may be old information that I never heard before. So that's what I'll usually be studying. And then I had a green smoothie. This was before around 12:30 the latest. I had a smoothie with bananas, blueberries, and mixed greens, all kinds of leafy greens, romaine, red leaf, green leaf, different greens. I love green smoothies. And the blueberries also, both the blueberries and the greens are good for inflammation, and that's what part of my problem is with the shingles and the eczema. So they're both going to get better. I'm confident, but I got to keep working at it. You got to work at it. You got to be persistent. That's the key. Patience. It doesn't happen overnight. There's no magic pills. There's no magic surgeries. You have to be patient. So that's all I've eaten, right? And today, right now, it's about 2 o'clock. And I just got finished making a video, an exercise video, and a tennis video. So I'll be putting those up probably next couple of days. I'm not sure. So now for dinner, I've got lessons tonight starting at 4 p.m. I go 4 to 6 with tennis lessons. And before that, I'll probably have a little more fruit, probably OJ or watermelon, and I'll maybe have some potato kale soup. All right, so that's, and then after the lessons at 6, I'm better off if I don't eat after that, just take a shower and chill out, you know. So we'll see. I'll let you know maybe in the next video. But anyway, that's a day in my life pretty much, you know, right now. This is Monday, so it's kind of a get back into the routine day. So all the best. Post any questions or comments. Please give this video a like, a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if it's your first time. This channel, Fruit and Sport, it's about a healthy lifestyle. That's basically what it's about. I happen to be right now just on a totally plant-based diet. And will that ever change? Who knows? But I mean, I've been through the roller coaster ever since I got the shingles. Before that, I was fine. I had no problems. I mean, as far as knowing what to eat. But it got a little crazy for me there when I delved into some hamburgers and sardines. But I really think for me, they're not the answer because it's inflammatory food. It's acidic type food. I think, you know, the way I was brought up, I didn't eat well at all. So I've got to change a lot inside, the microbiome, things like that. So all the best, guys. Thank you for your support. I appreciate it. And to your health success. Any questions, put them in the comments below. Thank you. Take care.